When comparing TickTick and Asana, it can be tough to decide which task management app reigns supreme. Both apps offer unique features and advantages, but they also have their shortcomings. Let's dive into the key differences between TickTick versus Asana and see which one comes out on top for helping you stay organized and productive. First thing to mention is how these apps approach task organization. TickTick offers a very flexible approach with its simple yet effective to-do list style. You can break tasks down into subtasks, set due dates, and even customize recurring tasks, making it a solid choice for those who need a straightforward solution. However, it can feel a bit too simple for those managing complex projects with multiple collaborators. Next thing to consider is Asana's ability to handle more complex projects. Asana really shines when it comes to organizing large teams and multi-step projects. With features like timelines, workspaces, and customizable project templates, Asana allows you to track tasks across multiple teams and departments. But this added functionality can also lead to a steeper learning curve and a more cluttered interface. The third thing that sets these two apart is task management on the go. TickTick offers a sleek mobile app that lets you manage tasks efficiently, even when you're not at your desk. It syncs across devices seamlessly, and you can even track your habits within the app. Asana, on the other hand, while functional on mobile, doesn't quite have the same fluid user experience for individuals who prefer a lightweight solution on their phones. Now let's talk about integrations. Asana offers an extensive range of integrations, connecting smoothly with tools like Google Drive, Slack, and Microsoft Teams. This is a huge advantage if you need to connect your task management to other productivity apps. TickTick, on the other hand, offers fewer integrations, which might not be ideal if you're trying to build a more complex ecosystem of tools for your workflow. The fifth thing to keep in mind is pricing. TickTick offers a more affordable option for individuals and smaller teams, with a free version that covers the basics and a premium version that unlocks advanced features. Asana also offers a free version, but many of the features that would be essential for larger teams or businesses are behind a paywall, making Asana more expensive in the long run. The sixth thing is the overall user experience. TickTick provides a clean and user-friendly interface that's easy to navigate. It's perfect for someone who just wants to get in, organize their tasks, and get out. Asana, however, while feature-rich, has a bit of a learning curve, especially if you're new to project management software. It can feel overwhelming if you're just looking for a simple tool to manage your personal tasks. The seventh thing is customer support. Both apps offer decent customer service, but Asana takes the edge here, with more in-depth resources and a larger support team available to help with any issues you may encounter. TickTick does offer support, but it's more limited and might leave you waiting a bit longer for responses. Now that we've covered the main points, it's clear that both TickTick and Asana are excellent options for task management, but they cater to different needs. TickTick is perfect for individuals or small teams who want simplicity and affordability. Asana excels in managing complex projects and large teams, but can be overkill for someone just looking to stay on top of their personal tasks. So, which is the better choice? Well, both apps are solid in their own right. If you want something that balances ease of use, robust features, and powerful integrations, there's one tool I'd recommend you try. Through the first link in the description, you'll get access to the best free trial and exclusive benefits that are only available to our viewers. This alternative might be just what you need to streamline your productivity and task management. Don't miss out. Take advantage of the free trial today.